In Nijmegen, researchers at Radboud University Medical Center, led by Nico Sommerdijk, have developed a groundbreaking microscope capable of live imaging of biological processes with unprecedented detail. The supermicroscope is an advanced type of microscope that offers significantly higher resolution and magnification capabilities compared to traditional microscopes. These microscopes can visualize structures and processes at the nanoscale, which is crucial for detailed biological and material research. Supermicroscopes incorporate innovative technologies such as electron beams, advanced optics, and computational methods to overcome the diffraction limit of light, allowing scientists to observe phenomena that were previously invisible. This innovative technique overcomes traditional limitations by combining detailed molecular examination with the observation of living material. By using graphene protection, researchers can visualize processes like arterial calcification at the nanoscale. With support from an ERC Advanced grant, the team's future studies aim to develop a heart valve on a chip to further understand and prevent calcification-related conditions.